Looking for a way to transfer contacts from iPhone to a USB drive? Whether you want to create a backup, move contacts to another computer, or keep your important contact information safely stored offline, exporting iPhone contacts to a USB flash drive is a useful solution. In this video, we'll show you 3 working methods to transfer contacts from iPhone to USB drive, including the easiest method using Coolmuster iOS Assistant. Method 1. Transfer contacts from iPhone to USB drive with Coolmuster iOS Assistant recommended. The easiest and most flexible way to transfer iPhone contacts to a USB drive is using Coolmuster iOS Assistant. Step 1. First, download, install, and launch Coolmuster iOS Assistant on your computer. Then connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. After that, connect your USB drive to the same computer. Make sure your computer recognizes both devices. Unlock your iPhone. Tap Trust when you see Trust this computer, and enter your iPhone passcode. Coolmuster iOS Assistant will automatically detect your iPhone. Step 2. After your iPhone is connected, you will see different categories on the left panel. Click Contacts to load your iPhone contacts. Step 3. Now preview and choose the contacts you want to export. Step 4. Click Export. Choose your preferred format from VECF, CSV, or XML. Select your connected USB drive to save the contacts, then click Open. Coolmuster iOS Assistant will export your selected iPhone contacts directly to the USB drive. Method 2. Transfer iPhone contacts to USB drive using iCloud. The second method is using Apple's built-in iCloud service. This method is free, but your contacts need to be synced with iCloud first. Step 1. On your iPhone, go to Settings, your name iCloud, find Contacts, and turn it on. Wait for your contacts to sync with iCloud. Step 2. On your computer, open iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Open Contacts, select the contacts you want to export, and choose Export the card. Your contacts will be downloaded as a VECF file. Step 3. Now, connect your USB drive and find the downloaded VECF file. Copy the file and paste it into your USB drive. Your iPhone contacts are now stored on your USB drive. Method 3. Transfer iPhone contacts using a contact backup app. The third method is using a contact backup app from the App Store. Many contact backup apps can create a VECF backup file that you can move to a USB drive. Step 1. Download a trusted contact backup app. Step 2. Allow the app to access your iPhone contacts. Step 3. Create a contact backup. Most apps export contacts as a VECF file. Step 4. Transfer the backup file to your computer. Step 5. Copy the file from your computer to your USB drive. Note: before using third-party apps, check their privacy policies because contact information contains personal data.